Okay, now we'll see child route. Now what is the child route? Very first thing, go to the router package here. Now second component should have some more routes. Say profile, this username / profile of this username. So router would be having inner route. Route would be having inner route. So here you can say const. Here you can say const, and I can say second route is equals to of type routes. Of type routes is equals to the array, right? So routes, you can import it or you don't import it, that's up to you. So for this I haven't written anything, for this I haven't written anything, and for this I have written this one and same, right? This will automatically detect, TypeScript will automatically detect the type. Okay, so all the time route would be, right, routes would be what you can say the combination of path and component. Path like this, any path, and here any component. So let me create one profile component inside this. Open the terminal, second, and ngGC, right, ngGC, right, ngGC, and I can have something like this. You can say profile in the flat mode, profile in the flat mode, and inline template and inline style. I need to make this inline template and inline style, profile component, and I would be having what you can say payment component, profile component and the payment component under the second. So profile and payment has been created. So to the second I can have profile, and component would be payment component. If the child route is what you can say, if the child route is path, this path, which is nothing but the payment, and component, sorry, and the component would be this component, sorry, it would be payment component, and this would be profile component. This would be profile component, payment and the profile. Remember that this second would be having this child route, and that's why I can say over here children path component, and here you need to have third children, and you can say second routes children. Okay, children and this. So you are saying the second route has two children, profile and the payment. Second route has two children, which is nothing but the profile and the payment. See what we did here. We created the two components. One is profile component and one is a payment component, right? One is a profile component and one is a payment component. Means someone whenever is going to hit like this. So let me go to here and I can say Android, and second would be having this AA, right? And after this AA you can have profile of AA, right? And payment terms of the AA. So likewise this, if you go, this is a second and user is AA, username is AA, I want to see profile for this AA / profile, right? If I hit this, I should see the profile over here of AA, right? Now why this is not working, that we'll see in the next tutorial. Why and how to make this working, we'll see. You need to have one more configuration over here, that we'll see in the next tutorial.